Of course, at Device42, we place a huge emphasis on discovery and getting really rich and granular data about your environment, but that doesn't mean we do not assist with the lifecycle use cases and improving your quality of life and maintaining that environment. We make quite a few options available in as we discover your infrastructure and hardware that exists, allowing you to integrate with various vendors, particularly Dell, HP Inc., IBM, Lenovo, and Cisco Meraki, that as we discover that hardware, we're also going to be able to pull back their warranty contracts and service contract information, help you understand across those systems what is currently in use and what you're supported for, as well as those that may no longer be supported. And you'll find this in many different places. I like to view this from any hardware that we're looking at, and in the lifecycle tab, seeing all the contracts related to that device, what service type, start date, end date. And with that information, we can very easily build reports to say, give me any hardware that is coming up, uh, an end date or a renewal date in the next 3 months, or has an end of life or end of support in the next year. So we can be aware of refreshing that hardware and getting the latest and greatest that's supported. In addition to helping with the hardware side, which also includes operating system and software end of life and end of support, as you can document that. We do also discover any certificates that you have in use in the environment, allowing you to very quickly identify where you have days expiring, those that may even already be expired that we need to really go out and correct, or those that we need just want to get in front of, make sure we apply new ones there so we don't have a service issue in the future. I can drill into these certificates, get more detail about them, what's their subject and subject alternate names, as well as do we have any that are a rather weak encryption using older TLS versions that might have vulnerabilities and create incidents in our environment. We can easily identify those, the systems that they're on, the IP addresses, and domains that are in use for those.